Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women with beautiful haircut. Very attractive eye-catching hair dye. And so beautiful over collection in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, some collection bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, and a very attractive collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde, and other shade of dye: burgundy color, black color, gray color, and some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Very attractive stylish collection of hair styling. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas: wave and curl naturally, and some ideas: make curl with color. And so attractive collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. Some ideas: messy hairstyle. The ideas of low maintenance hairstyling, spiky and messy hairstyle, and many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. Friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.